Hi. I'll present today the Xiaomi Roborock. Following the great success of its first version, this Chinese producer released its second model at the end of the last year. The package contains a plastic tray on which the robot can park. Moving forward, one can find an English manual. The mop tray comes already equipped with a cloth pad. Next we get the bot itself, a charging dock and an extra filter. The control buttons are intuitive and easy to reach. Luckily, Xiaomi maintained the same access to the dustbin that we saw in the previous model. The back of the bot is very similar to the first version. The only notable change is the repositioning of the auto-charging plates next to the caster wheel, and the plastic hooks which sustain the mop tray. The design difference between Xiaomi 1 and 2 is obvious, however, the functionality difference is harder to spot. Concerned potential shoppers asked me about the filters. They are virtually the same, and thus, interchangeable. Although it has a different form, the dustbin is as large as it was before. The second version kept its height small enough to go under the furniture. Thanks for watching. Make sure you visit my site, vacuumsguide.com, for the complete info on the specs of this product.